Usdjpy they swear. Now buy the goodbye. Okay, not any trade now. So not any trade now. Just relax now. Later in the day, pounds pay or euro pay set up or sell. That's the life to go up now. Man change to life. But all this is not easy. If you not a bit technical work, they'll give you stress. All these things not easy. Okay. Now go confirm another this stream winner. Voila. I just analyze this Euro bank, but that tekola it don't work well. But the bomb is still take place.
Yes, sir. Yes, it is.
Mm.
Yes, they should work it. Yes, sir. Yes, it is.
Mm.
Yes, they should work it.
Okay. Let's see. Let me see a person. Over good, they drop massively. Let's see. Let me see a person. Over good, they drop massively. This is not good resistance. I don't tell a person good resistance. The drop all consists massive. That doji for good for what's it called? For the monthly chart. Now that doji for the monthly chart. For the monthly chart. You can use that test to start to buy. This is not good resistance for the monthly chart. Start this thing. It's not the work when
Hello.
Hello traders. Hello, welcome to my live section. In this live session, we'll be looking at the Euro USD, Gbpusd USD, Usdcad, gold, and Usdjpy. So we'll be starting our analysis with the Gbpusd USD. The Gbpusd USD on my daily chart is currently at a weekly supply zone. So if price break out of this weekly supply zone, we expect more bullish uptrend movement. But if price fail, we might see drop from this resistance level today. So let's be patient and wait for price to retest from that particular level. Because this level is a very strong level. If you look at the weekly chart, we have this resistance, and here was a support. So price rejected from this particular weekly support. So we might be seeing price break above this high, but if price fail to break above this high, we might be seeing price reversal back to the downside, because this weekly resistance is very strong. So we might be seeing price breaking out of this high, and we wait to retest for us to buy, because we have this area, so a strong resistance level on the daily chart, also on the weekly chart. So this level is a very strong level. So we have to be very cautious making any decision on this particular level. You have to be very, very cautious, because the pounds is still very, very on a monthly resistance. We also have price on this monthly resistance. So long we have price on this monthly resistance, I'm not expecting to buy from this resistance unless we see price break out of this monthly resistance. So you have to be cautious, because price is only on monthly resistance and also on weekly resistance. So this is the mad caution on this level, except to see price close above this area, then we can start looking for any possible buy for the pounds USD. Because we have to be cautious. Because let's go to the 4-hour chart of the pounds USD. On my 4-hour chart, you can also see we also have a supply at this area, which is we have this level as resistance. Also the supply level. If price fail to break all these areas, we might be seeing reversal of price back to the downside. So pounds still remain on our weekly supply zone. So we have to be cautious around this area. Except to see price break out of this weekly supply zone, we have nothing to do with pounds. So that is for the pounds USD. So let's look at the Euro USD. Euro USD still very, very okay for uptrend. Price is currently bullish on Euro USD. We expect price to move to this next resistance level. We are still expecting price to move to this resistance level on Euro USD because we have a bullish structure on the daily chart of Euro USD, and price also rejected from a support level on the Euro USD, which is this monthly support level. So we might be seeing price moving to this resistance before we look for our sell opportunity for Euro USD. So just that the distance from this level to this other level is just too close. So we have to be very cautious also on all these pairs because we might see possible reversals. Because once price starts this level, we might see price reversing back to this trend line. And once price break out of this trend line, that means we're expecting price to retest, then we'll see further down for the euro. So we expect euro to come to this zone. This zone is still intact. But if price break out of this zone, we expect more buying opportunity. Once we see price break out of this zone, we expect more retest, then we expect more buy for the Euro USD. So we expect more buy if we see price close out of this weekly zone. So we expect more buy on the Euro USD. And because now we see have the uptrend structure on Euro USD, we see have the uptrend structure. So long we have the uptrend structure, we are still expecting price to reach this weekly resistance level. So we expect more buy on the Euro USD. Then if you have any pair you want us to analyze, you can put it in the comment section. We'll make the analysis for you. Any pair you want us to analyze, just leave a comment in the comment section. We'll do that for you. So let's look at USD card. USD card on my daily chart is currently changing trend. We have a shift in trend on the USD card on the daily chart already, because previously we have this downtrend. We have this series of lower high. Previously we have this series of lower high. So long we have this series of lower high and price has break out of this lower high, so we expect price to resume uptrend because we have a price break out of a lower high already. So we are expecting resumption of uptrend from this level, because price break out of this high, then price retesting a strong support level now. So we might be seeing reversal of price back to this resistance this week. Let's look at the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, you can see that we still have this strong support level here. So we're waiting for price to go into this support, to tap into this support level and give us a setup for us to buy from this support level, because this is a strong support level. So we're expecting price action setup from the daily chart for us to buy price to this next resistance level for the card USD. So we're expecting price to test this zone. So once price tests this zone, we expect more of movement for card USD. So let's wait patiently for a good setup on the card USD, because what price is currently doing now, price only is just reading a reversal. We are currently on a reversal trend, because once we have a shift in structure, price must do a retest of that level where we have the shift in structure from a weekly zone. So once we get this movement complete, once the price completes from here, we expect price to move to this next resistance. So you can also see that from the monthly chart also, the level I expect the card to retest from, price that tested this monthly support level. So long price tested this monthly support level, I'm also expecting the reversal for card this coming week or next month. So price that tested this level, so we expect price to move to this nearest resistance or above that resistance. So we are expecting more bullish move on card USD this week. We are expecting more bullish move. So long we have this shift in trend, so we're expecting more bullish move for price back to this resistance for the card USD. So if you have any pair you want us to analyze for you, can just leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, also leave it in the comment section. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section. So let's look at the Usdjpy. Usdjpy is currently on a support level now. Like the last discussion I had with my students, I said price has break above this high, because so long price break above this high, we expect price to retest this level for look or any possible buying for the Usdjpy, and we also have this weekly resistance at this level. So price rejected from this weekly resistance back to this weekly support, and on the daily chart we have this uptrend structure. We have this inner uptrend structure, which is we have a series of higher low. So long we have a series of higher low, we expect Usdjpy to buy to this next resistance now. So price have tested this resistance, we expect price to buy to this next resistance for Usdjpy now. So we're expecting a bullish move for the Usdjpy this week. So we're expecting a bullish move. So let's look at the higher time frame of the Usdjpy. So our monthly on the Usdjpy price remain bullish on the monthly. So we are still expecting more uptrend on the monthly chart on the Usdjpy. So we are still expecting more bullish trend on Usdjpy. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Usdjpy. You can see from my weekly chart, price converted this resistance into support. So price to test this level before we see any possible buy, and you can see that price has come to test this level now. So all we have to do now is wait for price to give us a signal candle from this daily chart before we look for any possible buying opportunity. So we might get the signal from today or tomorrow. So expect a bullish movement from this resistance, from this previous resistance, which is support level 2, for price to buy back to this our next. So we're expecting price to buy to this next weekly resistance. We are expecting price to buy to this next weekly resistance. So this resistance is now our major focus. So we are expecting price to buy to this resistance, because price has tested this resistance twice now. So our next focus will be this area for Usdjpy. So we are expecting price to buy to this next resistance level. So our focus now will be on this resistance level for the Usdjpy. Once price gets to this particular level, so we expect a strong bullish move on Usdjpy this coming week. So expect a strong buy move from the Usdjpy this coming week. So expect more buy. We're expecting more buy for Usdjpy this coming week. So get yourself prepared. Take a screenshot of all this analysis I'm making so that you take advantage of them when the setup presents itself to you. So we're expecting a strong bullish trend for the Usdjpy this week. So let's look at our next play. I'm currently on this trade already. I'm currently selling the gold already. I took myself from this signal candlestick yesterday. So I'm currently on the sell on gold USD. And I'm also in a good profit already. So I'm expecting gold to move to this next weekly support level. So this area is where I'm setting gold to move to. So once we see price at this level, we might be expecting price to retest back to this level or this level. Then we'll see strong move back to the downside. Because why am I expecting gold to drop? I'm expecting gold to drop because the monthly indicates price reversal. This doji candle on the monthly chart indicates price reversal. So long we have this doji candle on the monthly chart, this indicates a price reversal for gold. So we're expecting price to drop for the gold to this next support level. So this area, we're expecting gold to drop to this area in coming months. So let's go to our weekly chart. So this week price closed on resistance. So long price closed on this resistance, we expect gold to set to this level. So once we see gold break out of this level this coming week, once gold break out of this level, we might be seeing retest. Then we'll see further push to this to complete the movements for gold USD. Sorry about that. So we expect more sell for gold. We are still expecting more sell on the gold. We are still expecting more sell on gold USD this coming week. So just sit, relax. So we expect more sell on gold this coming week. So let's look at the daily structure of gold. So the gold daily chart. On my daily chart, these areas are all inner structure. We have this major level of lower low. This is a major level of lower low. Then we have these ones are all inner structure of higher low. So and price failed to close above this lower high. This indicates price still remain on the downtrend. So once we see price take out this level or this level, this shows that we are expecting a major drop on gold. Once we see price take out any of this higher low, we are expecting major drop on gold. I'm expecting price to take any of this higher low this coming week. I'm expecting gold to drop massively to the downside this coming week. So let's look at the 4-hour chart of the gold. So on the 4-hour chart, price, you can see that price break out of this my major trend line. So I'm still expecting price to drop. So I still expect more price to drop on gold this week. We're expecting more drop. You can see that price already changed to downtrend on gold on the 1-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart already. Because we have a higher high, lower high, lower high. So we are already having the strength of downtrend structure on gold. So expect more sell. Expect more sell to the downside on the gold USD. Expect more sell. So we are expecting more sell on gold. So So we are expecting more price to sell on the gold USD. So let's summarize our analysis. But before we summarize our analysis, you can take screenshot of all the analysis we have made, our live trade. So let's go back to USD, Gbpusd USD. So the Gbpusd USD, we are looking for a break of this high. We wait for a test for us to buy, but for us to sell, we are waiting for price to give us signal from this level for us to sell the pounds to this next weekly support. So we are waiting for price to give us a signal. So we are waiting for price to give us a signal from this resistance. Once we have that signal, we sell the Gbpusd to the downside. So let's check our 4-hour chart. So price that tested this particular level as spotted here. So once we have a signal on the daily chart, we are selling the pounds USD to distance. We are selling to this downside. We are selling to this next support level on the weekly chart. Once we have our signal. So let's be patient and wait for price to give us a setup for us to sell the pounds USD. So don't forget to like. Don't forget to like the live. Don't forget to like, and you can also subscribe to the live. You can also subscribe. So if you have any question, let's take your question. Let's take your question. Any currency you want us to analyze for you, let's indicate in the comment section level. Let's do that for you. Any currency you want us to analyze. So any currency you want us to analyze for you. So let's do that. Just indicate in the comment section. We'll do that for you now. So our gold is still currently selling. So we expect more sell for the gold. More sell. We are expecting more sell. Gold. So you can take advantage, but you missed the entry already. But to take a sell on gold, let's drop down to the 4-hour chart. So we might be seeing price retesting this zone back. Price might be retesting this zone. We might be seeing a retest of this zone back, or this zone. So once price closes below these zones, we might be seeing retest. So all you have to do is to wait for price to retest this level, then we'll see further drop. So wait for entry around this area. Just screenshot it, wait for your entry around this area, because we have a strong resistance at this area, and price will retest this resistance in the future. So within today, next tomorrow, price might retest, then give us a signal to sell from this level this week. So price must retest this level. So expect a reversal, a retest of this level before we see further sell for the gold. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So you can join us every Tuesday morning by 7 o'clock. You can join us every Tuesday morning by 7 o'clock. Here we analyze major currency pairs, then and commodity, which is a gold USD. So you can join us every morning, every Tuesday morning by 7 o'clock. Then on Friday, you can also join us by 7 o'clock in the morning for also live trading section. Here we expect price to go that week. Here we expect price to go the next week. So you can only join us. So I'm currently enjoying profit on gold. Gold is currently giving me massive profit. So we expect more sell on gold. So we are enjoying our sell on the gold USD. So we expect more massive sell. The next pair I'm looking at now, I'm still expecting price to drop for that Gbpusd USD, but I'm still waiting for signal. Once I get a signal before I make any decision on the Gbpusd USD. I'm also expecting buy from Usdjpy. So I just have to be patient and wait for good setup for me to trade. I just have to be patient. Patient is the key. Patient is the key. So all we need is patient. So patient is the key. Just be patient to allow price to play out according to our plan. Since when we started, I've been planning this good to sell this good until I have the setup yesterday night before I sell this good, before I took a sell on good. So we don't need to rush. You just have to be patient and expect price to do what it wants to do. But if you're always in a hurry, you always make mistake. Don't hurry and always apply risk management to your trade plan. Always apply risk management to your trade plan. There's no need to hurry. The only thing you can do is applying risk management. It takes good risk management to be successful as a trader. It takes good risk management. You have to have a proper understanding of risk management to be successful as a trader. Because nothing is sure in this market. There's no 100% accuracy in this market. No 100% accuracy. So nothing is sure. So what I also said I'm expecting price action setup from this level also. Let's look at the 4-hour chart from the Usdcad. So I'm still expecting price to come into this zone, and we're also expecting price to give us a buy setup from here to this level from the Usdcad. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Usdcad back. Okay. So this is our resistance on Usdcad. So this is our next level. Expect price to move to on Usdcad. So we just have to be patient. Patient is the key. Patient is the key. We just have to be patient. So expect more buy. Expect more buy on Usdcad this coming weeks, because this buy will last for this week and next week. So we also said we are expecting a sell opportunity on the pounds also. So by the end of today's close, we might be seeing sell opportunity on pounds. So just take note of all the pair, analyze, take advantage of them. Take note of all the pair and just analyze, then take advantage of them. Take advantage of all the pairs I just analyze. So take advantage, because my analysis is always tight. and always accurate. So just take advantage of this analysis. Take advantage of them. So expect more sell. We're expecting more sell on the pounds USD, but the price has the setup has not presented itself yet. We have to be patient to wait for the setup to present itself. You just have to be patient. So you can only sustain success in this market with patience, because this market is built to frustrate you. Price is already built to frustrate you in this market, so you just have to be patient. Only the disciplined trader can make money from this market. If you are disciplined and you stick to your risk management, you make money in this market. You have to have a working strategy, because you cannot be disciplined and doing the wrong thing. You have to have a working strategy. If you don't have a working strategy, you can click the link in my description below to purchase my Xauusd price on trading course. That will enable you to make good profit, and I believe with what is inside that course, you transform your trading career. And that course is really good for both mostly for advanced trader, but beginner trader can also catch up with you. The beginner trader with that course, within a period of 2 to 3 months, the person will good way. But for advanced trader, within a period of 1 month, 2 weeks, it's good to go, because the course is straightforward. The course is straight to point. So we are still expecting our direction. We are still intact, expecting price to do the needful. But all these things require patience. For price to do the needful, all it require patience. Patience is all it requires. So we're expecting price to do the needful. So we'll be leaving you guys here. Okay, let me just see what's the time thing. Once it's 8 p.m, I'll be leaving you guys. Once it's 8 a.m, I'll be leaving you guys. So don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Any question, leave it in the comment section. We are here to attend to it. Any question? So we are still here live. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section if you have any question. If you have any question, leave your comment in the comment section. So let's summarize again. We said we expect pounds. We are expecting signal from this pounds, this resistance, daily resistance, and also a weekly resistance. We're expecting signal to drop from here to drop. So we expect pounds to drop from this level. Then we are also expecting gold to continue to sell, but for intraday traders, I said I'm expecting gold to retest this zone. So price might retest this zone today, tomorrow. Then we'll see further sell on the gold. So expect price to retest that zone before we see any further sell. So price might retest this zone, then we'll see further sell. Because I'm seeing a major sell. Price to go into drop to this our weekly support level. So price to test drop to this weekly support level. So but we expect price to retest from this zone before we see the drop to this weekly support level. So we're expecting this retest today or tomorrow for intraday traders. But we that are swinging on the daily chart, we are currently I'm in on gold from this level with my set stop. So I'm expecting price to drop to this weekly support level. So once price get to this weekly support level, I will be looking for reversal of price back to this resistance, then we'll see further sell for good. So this month and next month I'm expecting sell on the gold. So I'm expecting major sell on gold. So gold will do more of sell this coming week. So we expect more of sell on gold, more of sell on the gold. So we are expecting more sell on gold. We are expecting more sell on gold this coming weeks. We are expecting more sell on the gold this coming week. So and also say we expect the pounds to also drop also. Then we also said we expect one of the sweetest setup also have there. I have this is the sweetest setup for me because I'll be focusing on this Usdjpy. I'm expecting price to move to this. For swing traders, I'm expecting price to move to this resistance. So once we have our signal on the daily chart now, we expect price to move to this weekly resistance because price has tested this weekly resistance. So long price tested this weekly resistance, we're expecting price to move to this next weekly resistance. So this resistance is already faded, but we still hold it strong until we see price break above it. So we're expecting price to test this resistance. Here is our target for Usdjpy because Usdjpy have the best setup currently because we have a clear structure of uptrend on Usdjpy. You can see that my trend line was also broken too. So price is currently retesting now after price break my trend line. So price is currently retesting the trend line. So from this retest, we expect price to move to this next level. So we are still expecting more buy. So we expect more buy on the Usdjpy. So we expect more buy on Usdjpy. So you just have to be focused. So if you have any question, don't forget to leave it. If you have any question, don't forget to leave it. If you have any question, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. If you have any question, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And if you also want us to analyze any pairs for you, you can also let us know in the comment section. Any pairs, let us know in the comment section. If you want us to analyze any pair for you, just leave it in the comment section. If you want us to analyze any pair for you, leave it in the comment section. So let's go back to our analysis. Before we go to the analysis, please, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we do this live section every Tuesday 7 a.m. and Friday 7 a.m. So it's 1 hour section. You can always join us, and my analysis are always accurate. My trade call are always accurate. You can always join us. You can always join us. My trade call, my analysis are always accurate. So if you want to make money in this market, this trade call, this live section is for you. So once I'm making the analysis, just take a book and a pen and also screenshot or the plan, you see that in future they all play out well as planned. But my kind of trading require patience because I'm more of a swing trader. It requires patience for my trade to play out. I hold my trade for a series of days, weeks. So if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. If you have any question, I'm ready to analyze any pair you want me to analyze for you. So if you have any question, you are still waiting for your questions. So we also said we have a shift in trend on Usdcad. You can see that price also playing out as planned. But we also need the price action setup for the also buy the Usdcad to the next weekly resistance. So all this trade plan require patience for it all to work out. We require patience. Patience is all it requires. So it requires patience. Australia might also be selling, but Australia is not in our plan for today. Australia USD is not in our plan. We focus on market that are trending that can give us good results, which is the Usdjpy is very okay to buy once we have our signal set up. Then Usdcad is very okay to buy once we have our confirmation. Then our sell on good is also good. Have a further, because currently I'm swinging already from the daily charts. Then we also have a proper confirmation on the 4-hour charts from where I said I expect price to retest on the 4-hour chart, which is this level. You can sell from there for fresh sale opportunity. Wait for price to come to this level. So this is what we are expecting. It's what I'm expecting. So don't forget to join us every Friday and Tuesday, 7 a.m. Every Friday and Tuesday, 7 a.m. Don't forget to join us because all our analysis are always accurate. We deliver good results in our analysis. Just that trading requires patience for all analysis to play out. We require patience. Patience is all we just need. Patience is the key. Patience is the key. All we need in trading is patience. Without patience, you cannot get good results from trading. Patience is all we need. You have to stick to your trade plan and also manage your trade. You can have a good risk management, but if you don't know how to manage your trade, it's also a problem too. You must learn how to manage your trade. You must learn how to manage your trade also. You must also learn how to manage your trade. Learn how to manage your trade. Trade management is key to profitability. You must learn how to manage your trade. If you want to become more profitable, you have to manage your trade. If you want to become more profitable, you have to learn how to manage trade. That will give you edge to become successful. Any question, leave it in the comment section. Any question, we are here to take your any question. Don't forget to leave it in the comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. We do this live trade section Mondays 7 a.m. and Fridays 7 a.m. So if you want to make money in this market, just follow us. Our analysis are always accurate, and we have 18 years of experience in this market. We have 18 years of experience in the market, and our analysis are always accurate. And I also drop weekly Forex analysis. You can also watch them, and they are all accurate also. So let's call it a day. Thank you guys for participating in my live section. I really appreciate you, but don't forget to come back on Friday. We have a fresh session on Friday by 7 a.m. in the morning. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you for attending. Love you. Pixar. See you in my next live section. See you in my next live section on Friday. Love you and stay safe. Thank you for being here.